Hey, good day to you. This is Rin, founder of Forex100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen on the daily chart. What we have over here is a bearish movement, market retest the previous low, reverse, and right now a bearish engulfing. And dollar is right now the most controversial pair. It is the most choppy currency. Just take note when you're trading it. All right, so on the 4-hour chart, what we have over here, V bottom, market came break and close above the high, retest the previous low area, and that's pretty much what we have over here. A retest of the previous support. Take note, based off the 4-hour chart, the support level is not broken yet. 10552 is an important level for consideration. 1-hour chart, what we have over here, let's have a look. We have a rectangle formation. Okay, a ascending triangle that failed to do so and it start to slide down. So formation like a traditional formation like this, like an ascending triangle or whatsoever, if it fail to move higher, usually the drop is more than what is expected. But sadly, over here what we can see is that it failed to break this important support. Back to the daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. Just before we start, you can see that there is some indicators. If you're interested to find out more, just scan this QR code, you'll be led to our website. Okay, you can communicate with us over here to share your trade ideas with other traders as well. And you really have to attend this course. It's free and you basically get your fundamental right. That help you in your trading. Further down, you get to see our trade ideas as well, structure-based and harmonic pattern trading. Back to the daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. Two important resistance levels still remain unchanged at 10680 and 10787. It has to break and close above the high to proceed for a long-term bullish run. On the 4-hour chart, market did break and close above the high, but you see it start to came back down again. Okay, so great consideration for people who are looking for shorting. Myself, I'm waiting for retracement back up to 10587, another 24 pips before I consider for a short, at least for now. Down to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, nothing much right now. What I can do more in most instant is to wait for a retest back to this trend line for a shorting opportunity. All right, so you can see that pretty much I'm looking for a short on all the euro dollar, pound dollar, and dollar yen. Basically across some of the pairs, I'm all looking for shorting opportunities in the coming week. Let's see how this goes. Looking forward to see you soon in our community. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan.